ackwrite.com. Hi students! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to submit your assignments or projects in Moodle using your phone. First, log into Moodle on your mobile browser. On your Moodle dashboard, you should see the assignment or project submission link. Click on it to begin the upload process. If you don't see the submission link on your dashboard, don't worry, it's just a few clicks away. Start by selecting the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. From there, click on My Courses, then simply scroll down and select the specific course you need. When you are on the course page, scroll down to locate the assignment or project submission link. Once you're inside the assignment page, click the Add Submission button. Next, look for and tap the file icon at the top left of the upload box to begin choosing your assignment or project. From the File Picker options, select Upload a File, then tap the Choose File button. When you see Choose an Action, select Media Picker to select the file for submission. When you see the file name of your submission, this indicates that your assignment or project has been added. Scroll down and tap the Upload this file button. You then tap the Save Changes button. Click Continue to finish the process. Once the page refreshes, look for the green highlight on your submission status. That's your confirmation that everything was sent successfully. Accidentally uploaded the wrong document? No problem. Just click Remove Submission, then hit Continue. This clears the slot so you can go back and add the correct file. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you navigate Moodle, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep creating more helpful content for you.